Okay. Bi'ur Mishnah Vav. Explanation for Mishnah Vav. כבר הזכרנו, this is interesting. Okay. We already mentioned שהכהנים היו נחלקים ל-24 משמרות. In the time of King David, before that, I think Moshe divided them into 8 mishmarot, and after Moshe, somebody else divided the Kohanim into 16 groups, 16 families, and then by the time King David came, there were so many Kohanim that King David divided the Kohanim into 24 mishpachot, 21 Kohanim. What is it, 24? Which means every group sends the representative every week. So we have 24. Yeah, so people from that group would come to serve in the temple. The Kohanim from that group, from that house would come to serve in the temple during a week. And then the next week, a different family. And a different family, it will come back to them after 24 weeks. It will come back to the first group. Anybody who didn't work yet, all those who worked will get kicked out. And there's a lottery again for those who didn't work, coming from this family. ובכל שבוע היה עובד במקדש משמר אחר. Every week, a new family used to come and work in the tribe. אבל ברגלים, this is in a regular day. In other words, the family, not only do they get to work in the temple, they also get everything that goes to the Kohanim for that week. They keep. Yeah? And only for that family, not for the other family. But when it comes to the holidays, all bets are off. In the holidays, every Kohen is allowed to work. Every Kohen works. אבל ברגלים, היו כל המשמרות עוסקים בהקרבת הקורבנות. All the Kohen used to work. There were so many people coming over. You've got 600,000 men. You need to bring all the sacrifices. Each one that comes to Yerushalayim has to bring 3. Yeah, it's called one olat re'iyah, one olat chagiga, and there's one more, and one's more. I forgot the third one. Okay, re'iyah you have to bring chagiga, and there's one more. I don't remember. Oh, shlamim, and one you have to be shlamim. So 3 sacrifices just when you arrive to Yerushalayim. So imagine how many 600,000 people. Each one brings at least 3. That's the minimum. Yeah, exactly. So you need a lot of Kohanim to do the work. So all the Kohanim worked during the regel. During the holidays, everybody worked. אבל ברגלים היו כל המשמרות עוסקים בהקרבת הקורבנות הבאים מחמת הרגל. Because there's so many sacrifices that used to come in, all the Kohanim used to work. So there's going to be, but the group that it was their week says, no, but we want certain sacrifices that only belongs to us. So the question is, during the regel, when new guys come in, what is the mishmeret? The first group, what can they say? You can touch this. Only we. For example, the tamid, we want. Yeah, Musafim or something. No, that's ours. Yeah, exactly. So to prevent these problems, there's a rule of who gets what you're allowed to get, what you're not allowed to get. And especially on Sukkot, it's going to be, we're going to see. משנתנו בא ללמד כיצד חילקו המשמרות ביניהם את קומת המוסף של חג הסוכות. Musaf of Sukkot is going to be a lot of, we never bring so many. Remember, it was 70 in the first day and going down every day. Yeah? For the nations. So 70 extra you have every day. And you have 24 mishmarot. So, do the other mishmarot get to share in this Musaf sacrifice? That's going to be the question. 70 bulls, yeah. That's right. Oh, people hate. It was all big fingers over there. Yom Tov Rishon shel Chag Sukkot, so the first holiday, yeah, of Chag Sukkot, hayu sham 13 parim. So you used in the first day of the holiday for Musaf. This is what you need to bring. We read it in the Siddur. 13 bulls, 2 rams, ve'elim shnayim, ve'seir echad, and 1 goat. 13 bulls, 2 rams, 1 goat. כמו שנאמר, like it says, he lambs? Oh, I didn't get to that yet. I didn't get to that yet. Yeah, by me it's different. I get you in soon. כמו שנאמר, וב-15 יום לחודש השביעי, מקרא קודש יהיה לכם, it says in the 15th day of the 7th month, it's going to be a holiday, והקרבתם עולה אישה נחל להשם, and you're going to bring a sacrifice to God, פרים בני בקר 13, 13 bulls, אלים 2, 2 rams, כבשים בני שנה 14, sheep 14, ושעיר עזים אחד לחטאת, and 1 goat. The Mishnah doesn't say the kvasim, the sheep, if you mentioned. 13 mishmarot. So this is how it was done. This is how it was going to be divided. You've got 24 mishmarot. One mishmarat, one group, it's theirs anyway. So this is why it was done. 13 mishmarot הקריבו כל אחד par אחד. So the other one says, we also want to share. We also want to share in the musaf. So give us the 13 bulls. Right? We want 1 bull for every mishmeret. So 13 received each 1 bull. And now you have the 2 rams and the 14 sheep and 1 goat still left. 13 משמרות הקריבו כל אחד פר אחד. 2 משמרות, 2 of the other groups, כל אחד מהם הקריב איל. So there's the 2 rams. It says, I don't get a bull, let me get the ram, because the ram is more mehudar than the sheep. The bull is the most mehudar, yeah, the best one. Then comes the ram. So I can get a bull, let me get a ram. ומשמר אחד הקריב את השעיר. And 1 mishmar brought the goat. So altogether you've got 13 plus 2 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Right? Yeah. Altogether 16. So you've got still 8 mishmarot to go. 8 mishmarot says, hey, what about us? What about our group? We want to share also. נשתיירו שם 14 כבשים. So you have left 14 sheep. ל8 משמרות. To 8 more משמרות. Yeah? הנשארים שחולקו הכבשים ביניהם כדי לקמן. So they are now, these 8 things. Okay, so let us get the sheep. So each one of us is going to get 2 sheep. No. Okay. ביום הראשון, so it's in the first day, 6 משמרות. We've got 6 yes. In the first day, 6 of them gets to bring 2 each. That makes 12. And then 1 and 1 is 7. The 7th one gets 1 sheep, and the 8th gets 1 sheep. Altogether, it got 7. 6 משמרות מקריבים 2, so 6 more bring 2. כל משמר מקריב 2 כבשים, הרי 12 כבשים, altogether it's 12, והשאר 2 המשמרות הנשארים 1, and the 2 last ones have to deal with 1. But at least like this, now every family had a share in the musaf sacrifice. Nobody is fighting. Okay. כל משמר מקריב כבש 1. Okay, now comes the problem. On the second day, there's 1 less bull. So this is the first day of the holiday. It goes down. On the second day, it's going 1 less bull. What do you do then? בשני, ביום שני של סוכות, שלא היו בו אלא 12 פרים. Now you don't have 13 bulls. You only have 12 bulls. כמו שנאמר על הקיצז, וביום השני פרים בני בקר 12. It's only have 12 bulls in the second day. וכן בכל יום נתמעט מספר הפרים באחד. Every day we have 1 less bull. אבל שאר הקורבנות לא נשתנו, but all the other sacrifices stay the same. It's only the bulls who are going down. Everything else is the same. נמצאו שנשתיירו 14 כבשים ל9 משמרות. So everybody wants the bull, but then you left with 14 sheep to 9. Before it was 8. Yeah, to 9. So now you have 1 more family to 9. So what would you do? 5 משמרות מקריבים 2. Before it was 6 that brought 2 families. Now only 5 have enough to bring 2. כל משמר 2 כבשים, הרי 10 כבשים. So then 10. והשאר 4 משמרות. So then instead of 2, you've got 4 more left that can only bring 1. ו4 משמרות הנשארים 1. And the 4 other groups bring 1. כל משמר מקריב כבש 1. בשלישי, on the third day you have 1 less. ביום השלישי של סוכות שלא יהיו בו אלא 11 פרים. Now you have only 11 bulls. נשתיירו 14 כבשים ל10 משמחות. So in the end, you've got the cheapest one, the 14 sheep, are only to 10 groups. 4 משמרות מקריבות 2-2, so 4 groups bring 2, כל משמר 2 כבשים, הרי 8 כבשים, so you have 8 sheep, והשאר 6 משמרות הנשארים, and all the other 6 ones can only bring 1-1, כל משמר מקריב כבש אחד. ברביעי, on the 4th day, של סוכות, over there now you only have 10 bulls, and then you have 14 bulls to 10 groups, to 10 families. 3 מקריבים, 2-2, so 3 of the families bring 2. And והשאר 1-1, and all the other families, again, they bring 1 bull, 1 sheep, 1 sheep. בחמישי of Sukkot, in the 5th day of Sukkot, only 9 bulls, and therefore 14, you have 14 sheep remains in the end, to 12 groups. 2 מקריבים 2-2, so only 2 groups now bring 2, והשאר 1-1, and the other groups are going to bring each 1-1. בשישי, on the 6th day, 1 מקריב שסוכות, so we only have 8 bulls on the 6 days. So therefore we have 14 sheep to 13 groups. So only one family brings 2, and all the other families, each one bring 1. בשביעי, on the 7th day של סוכות, so over there, שהיו בו 24 קורבנות של מוסף. The 7th day, altogether you had 24 musaf sacrifices. 7 פרים, you had 7 bulls, 2 rams, 1 goat, and 14 sheep. כולן שווים. Everybody is equal. כל המשמרות היו שווים. Everybody used to bring only 1. שכל משמר הקריב בהמה אחת. Anybody, משמר only bring 1. It was either a bull, a ram, a goat, or a sheep, but only 1. בשמיני, now comes the problem. What happens on שמיני עצרת? One of them will not be able, doesn't have enough, one of the families. So what do you do then?
Well, that's about the week is over.
No, but on שמיני עצרת you still bring the same sacrifice. Yeah. בשמיני עצרת שבו הקריבו פר אחד, עיל אחד, צעיר אחד ו7 כבשים, that you bring 1 bull, 1 ram, 1 goat, and 7 sheep. So what do you do then? You do that what you do in a regular regel. What did you do in a regular regel? If there's not enough, you make a lottery. You say, guys, there's 24 families, let's make a lottery. Which one is going to bring a sacrifice? We can't. So the 24 families...
What about the family that was designated to work this way?
They do everything else besides Musaf. They don't do the Musaf. They'll give the Musaf to the new families.
I see.
The Musaf goes to the new families. I mean, to the families that come to the regel. Yeah. להטיל גורל כל המשמרות, אלה מהם יזכו בהקרבת 10 הבהמות. You say you've got 24 families, there's only 10 sacrifices, so lottery, whoever wins, wins. קבע רגלים, כמו בשאר רגלים, like in all the other holidays. How was it done? There's not enough, only Sukkot has so many sacrifices in Musaf. How was it done in the other holidays? The same way, lottery. וכבר ביארנו במסכת יומא, כיצד היו מפייסים, and how was the lottery done? היו אומרים, by the way, also in Sukkot, the lottery is not fair, because you've got this guy, the group is getting bulls, and this group is getting sheep. So what they will do, they will make a lottery of who gets the bulls, who gets the sheep, who gets the ram. That will be the lottery. And the group that won the bulls cannot enter the lottery until everybody from the other family gets the bulls, then they get the lottery again. Yeah? Because everybody wants the bull or the ram.
Everybody get a chance to get.
That's right. Everybody will get a chance. It's not that you put the same lottery. If once you bought a bull, next time you're going to bring a sheep and ram until everybody brings a bull.
And they do a similar thing with 2 sheep versus 1 sheep?
Maybe. It's possible. It's possible. I don't know. But since they did it in the bulls, it might be that they've done the same thing over there, because there will be people who complain. אמרו, מי שהקריב פרים היום, המשמר שהקריב פר ביום אחד שנת בסוכות. They said, the family that brought a bull, לא יקריב למחר, לא היו מניחים לו להקריב פר למחר. They wouldn't give him, said, you cannot be in the lottery for bulls tomorrow. אלא חוזרים חלילה. But they would go around the other families, לפי הסדר דלקמן. They will go according to the סדר. ביום הראשון הקריבו המשמרות א' to י' ג', so the first one to the 13th, 13 פרים, 13 פורים, המשמרות י' ט' ו' שני אלים, so the 14th and 15th family brought the 2 rams, the 16th family the goat, and the 17th to the 24th family brought the 14 sheep. ביום השני הקריבו המשמרות. It tells you what to do exactly. It had a seder. In the second day הקריבו המשמרות י' to כ' 11 פרים. In the second day, the families that were in the sheep part, they're going to bring the bulls part. Yeah, so the 14th to 24th that they brought the sheep last time, they're going to bring the bulls the second day. 11 פרים, והמשמר אחד הקריב את הפר ה-12. והמשמרות ב' י' ג' and the second to the 13th הקריבו אלים ושעיר וכבשים. In other words, there was a specific order of what you said. ביום השלישי, in the third day, הקריבו המשמרות ב' י' ב' 11 פרים. So then the groups of 2nd to 12 brought the 11 bulls, והשאר הקריבו אלים. Everybody, 2 more brought the rams, ושעיר וכבשים, and the goat and the sheep. In the 4th day, הקריבו המשמרות י' ג' כ' ב'. In the 4th day, the 13th to the 22nd family, they brought the 10 bulls. ביום החמישי הקריבו המשמרות כ' ג' כ' ד'. In the 5th day, it was the 23rd and 24th family. ועין וא' to ז' 9 פרים. And the first family to the 7th family brought the 9 bulls. In other words, it was the 23rd, 24th, and 1 to 9 brought 9 bulls. ביום השישי הקריבו המזמרות ח' וט' ו'. In the 6 days, the families of 8 to 15th, they brought 8 bulls. ביום השביעי הקריבו משפחות ט' ז' to כ' ב'. In the 7th day, the bulls were brought, so it wasn't really a lottery in those days, because they had a way to make sure that every family gets the bulls, the rams and the things. ביום השביעי הקריבו משמרות ט' ז' כ' ב' 7 פרים. In the 7th day, 16 to 22 brought the 7 bulls. נמצא שמשמרות א' to כ' ב' הקריבו פרים 3 פעמים. So we found out. Let's go in the end. So if you were within the families 1 to 22, in those families, family 1 to the 22nd family, then you bring bull 3 times. והמשמרות כ' ג' וכ' ד', and the 2 groups, 23rd and 24th, only brought bulls twice. But yeah, because that's what you have to do. Maybe that was done according to lottery. Which families are going to bring 3 times and 2 times. Yeah, exactly. Okay, up to here.